Welcome to Product Plus. Discover a collection of practical and stylish kitchen essentials, from fruit baskets and pawn organizers to innovative appliances like the CREAMi and Neretva bread maker. Designed to simplify cooking, enhance organization, and elevate your everyday culinary experience. All products links in the description section below. When life gets busy, having a cooking setup that adapts to your day can make everything feel easier. That's why a portable electric stove fits so naturally into dorm living, RV adventures, small apartments, and even backyard hangouts. It blends convenience with real cooking power, letting you simmer, saute, or simply keep meals warm without fuss. Built tough and compatible with all your favorite cookware, it's the kind of gadget you end up using more than expected. And with its current price of $61.59, it might be the upgrade your kitchen needs today. Try it for yourself. Starting your day with something fresh can shift your whole mood, and that's where a reliable electric orange juicer fits beautifully into a balanced routine. It turns busy mornings into breezy, feel-good moments with effortless, one-touch squeezing that gives you pure, pulp-controlled juice in seconds. Whether you're fueling a workout, serving family brunch, or just enjoying a quiet moment, it brings convenience and freshness together in a way that quickly becomes a habit. And with its current price of $80.99, it's a smart addition to your counter. Give it a try today. There's something special about making your own nut butter. It feels wholesome, creative, and surprisingly simple once you have a machine designed for the job. A peanut butter maker lets you turn everyday snacks into fresh, customizable spreads that fit your taste and your lifestyle, whether you enjoy smooth, crunchy, sweetened, or purely natural blends. It's perfect for meal prep, healthier snacking, or adding a homemade touch to breakfast routines. Plus, storing your fresh batch is effortless. And with its current price of $55.60, it's an easy way to elevate your kitchen. Give it a try. Finding ways to add more freshness to your routine can be surprisingly simple when you have a juicer that does the hard work for you. This cold press model blends convenience with nutrition, letting you drop in whole fruits and vegetables for smooth, vibrant juice with minimal prep. Its slow press design boosts yield, reduces foam, and keeps flavors clean, perfect for busy mornings, post-workout boosts, or winding down with something refreshing. Built sturdy and easy to clean, it fits effortlessly into daily life. And with its current price of $85.47, it's a worthwhile upgrade. Enjoy the difference. Some kitchen tools instantly make prep easier, and an egg slicer is one of those simple upgrades that quietly saves time. Whether you're whipping up salads, sandwiches, snack plates, or prepping soft fruits, having clean, even slices makes everything look more polished with almost no effort. This slicer's multiple cutting modes give you flexibility, while its sturdy stainless steel blades keep things neat and consistent. It's the kind of gadget that becomes a small but reliable part of your routine. And with its current price of $15.56, it's an easy addition. Give it a try. Cutting pineapple can feel like a hassle, but a corer instantly turns the task into something quick, neat, and surprisingly satisfying. With a sharp reinforced blade and a steady grip, it slices perfect rings in seconds, keeping the shell intact for serving or creative presentations. Whether you're prepping snacks, mixing fruity drinks, or brightening up a meal, it adds convenience to everyday routines. Cleanup is easy too, thanks to its detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. And with its current price of $9.99, it's a small upgrade that makes a big difference. Try it yourself at home today. A good mini blender can make healthy habits feel effortless, especially when your days get busy. This compact powerhouse blends smoothies, sauces, dips, and even crushed ice with ease, giving you quick nutrition without the mess of a full-sized machine. Its grab-and-go design lets you blend and head out the door, making it perfect for workdays, gym sessions, or late-night cravings. Small enough for tight spaces yet strong enough for everyday use, it fits smoothly into any routine. And with its current price of $79.20, it's a smart upgrade. Blend better every day. Creating sushi at home can be fun, easy, and surprisingly stress-free when you have the right tool. A sushi mold press helps you turn rice, vegetables, and proteins into perfectly shaped rolls in minutes, making it ideal for family cooking, weekend gatherings, or even quiet date nights. Kids love getting hands-on, and adults can experiment with creative fillings, turning meals into memorable experiences. Compact, durable, and simple to clean, it fits effortlessly into any kitchen routine. And with its current price of $7.99, it's a small addition that delivers big fun. Try it today. Fresh pasta at home is easier than you think when you have a noodle machine that does the hard work for you. This compact, handheld device presses and shapes dough into a variety of noodle styles, from thin strands to wide ribbons, making weeknight dinners or special meals more fun and creative. Its easy-to-use design fits small kitchens, and cleanup is simple thanks to detachable parts and included brushes. Perfect for experimenting with flavors and shapes. And with its current price of $33.88, it's a smart kitchen upgrade. Enjoy fresh pasta today. Enjoying fresh corn doesn't have to be messy or time-consuming. A cob corn stripper makes it effortless to remove kernels in seconds, keeping prep neat and safe for the whole family. Its compact, kid-friendly design ensures everyone can join in, and the durable stainless steel blades make quick work of every cob. Perfect for summer barbecues, hearty soups, or simple weeknight sides, it turns a simple ingredient into a joy to prepare. And with its current price of $7.50, it's a small addition that brings big convenience. Try it in your kitchen. A tidy countertop can make your morning routine feel effortless, and a caddy organizer brings order to coffee, tea, and condiments with ease. Its two-tier design and 10 compartments keep everything visible and within reach, whether you're brewing a quick cup before work or hosting friends for brunch. Compact yet spacious, it's perfect for home kitchens, offices, or dorms, adding both style and convenience to daily routines. Built sturdy and easy to clean, it's a small upgrade with a big impact. And with its current price of $19.97, it's worth adding today. Enjoy a clutter-free start. Coring apples and pears becomes effortless with a tool designed for precision and ease. This apple corer removes cores in a single, smooth motion, giving you whole fruits ready for snacking, baking, or lunchboxes. Its sharp, serrated stainless steel blades and ergonomic, non-slip handle make the process safe, fast, and satisfying, even for kids helping in the kitchen. Compact, durable, and easy to clean, it fits seamlessly into daily routines. From quick morning snacks to creative baking projects, it's a simple tool with big impact. And with its current price of $7.99, it's a small upgrade worth adding. Use it today. A slim toaster can instantly simplify busy mornings, giving you perfectly toasted slices without crowding your counter. Its long, extra-wide slot handles everything from sourdough to bagels, making breakfast feel a little easier and a lot more enjoyable. With 6 shade settings and a high-lift lever, you get consistent results without burnt fingertips. Cleanup stays effortless thanks to the removable crumb tray and cord wrap that keeps things tidy. Compact, reliable, and designed for real-life kitchens, it's an everyday upgrade that just makes sense. And with its current price of $24.99, it's worth adding to your routine starting this week. A good pickle jar doesn't just store, it simplifies snack time and elevates your whole fridge setup. With its flip and strain design, this hourglass jar neatly separates brine from bites, so you get crisp pickles without the mess. The airtight seal keeps flavors bold, while the wide mouth makes cleaning effortless. From olives to Galapagos, it turns grab-and-go moments into smooth, satisfying rituals. It's one of those small upgrades that instantly feels indispensable, especially if you love organized, fuss-free snacking. At $15.70, it's a smart little addition to your kitchen routine today. Keeping your kitchen organized gets so much easier with this adjustable pots and pans rack. Its sturdy iron frame and anti-slip design hold everything securely, no wobbling, no scratches, no sliding lids. With 8 customizable tiers and 3 easy, tool-free setup methods, it adapts perfectly to your cabinet space and cookware collection. Whether you stack skillets, store baking sheets, or line up pot lids, everything stays neat, visible, and within reach. It's a simple upgrade that removes daily clutter and adds real convenience. At $18.68, this organizer delivers impressive value for any busy kitchen. Brightening up your kitchen can be as simple as choosing storage that's both stylish and practical, and this 3-tier Liveber fruit basket bowl makes that effortless. Its marble base adds a touch of elegance, while the sturdy metal design keeps fruits, veggies, and snacks neatly organized and easy to grab during busy mornings. The built-in banana hanger prevents bruising, and the detachable tiers fit seamlessly into any counter setup. It's a small upgrade that genuinely elevates your space, especially at $35.99, just before the last 5 words. If you love homemade fries or quick veggie prep, this electric French fry cutter makes kitchen life so much easier. Instead of wrestling with manual slicers, you just press a button and let the machine handle potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more with smooth precision. The 2 interchangeable blades give you options for thicker or thinner cuts, perfect for snacks, meal prep, or family dinners. Its compact size fits comfortably on any counter, making it a go-to tool you'll actually use. And at $69.99, right before the last 5 words. Transforming your favorite ingredients into creamy, dreamy desserts feels effortless with the Ninja Creamy Swirl. Whether you're craving soft serve, fruity sorbet, protein-packed blends, or low-calorie treats, its 13 smart programs make experimenting fun and incredibly satisfying. It fits beautifully into a healthier lifestyle, yet still delivers indulgent results the whole family can enjoy. Perfect for weeknight cravings, weekend hosting, or creating personalized flavors, it quickly becomes a kitchen favorite. And with easy cleanup and reliable performance, it's a gadget you'll reach for often. All for $279.99, just before the last 5 words. Imagine the aroma of freshly baked bread filling your kitchen, from soft sandwich loaves to hearty gluten-free creations, all without lifting a finger. The Neretva bread maker makes it easy to enjoy homemade bread any day, with 20 smart programs, dual heaters, and a non-stick ceramic pan for consistent, fluffy results. Perfect for morning breakfasts, weekend brunches, or experimenting with jams and doughs, it turns baking into a relaxed, rewarding ritual. Easy cleanup and compact design keep your counter clutter-free. All this convenience for just $119.99, right before the last 5 words. Every kitchen deserves a tool that makes life just a little easier. The Tussi 5-in-1 bottle opener effortlessly handles soda cans, beer bottles, jars, and plastic caps, giving you extra leverage with minimal effort. Its ergonomic, anti-slip design is perfect for kids, seniors, or anyone with weak hands, turning frustrating openings into a simple, satisfying task. Compact, colorful, and versatile, it's as practical as it is handy for daily use or entertaining guests. All this convenience comes at just $3.99, right before the last 5 words. Imagine a sunny afternoon at the park, your favorite people, and all your picnic essentials neatly packed in one stylish backpack. The Apollo Walker Picnic Backpack Bag keeps food fresh in its insulated compartment, holds wine safely in a detachable cooler, and includes a 45 inches by 5'3" waterproof picnic blanket for effortless outdoor lounging. With organized storage for cutlery, plates, and condiments, it makes every outing stress-free and enjoyable. Whether for family fun or romantic escapes, this all-in-one picnic solution combines convenience and style at just $51.98 before the last 5 words. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing home, kitchen, and smart gadgets finds. Like the video and share your thoughts in the comments section below.